Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shweta and today we are going to see how to deploy our Angular application to Firebase. So the first thing is you should have a Firebase account. You can directly sign into Firebase with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, just create one and then go to console.firebase.google.com and sign in. I'm already signed in, so I'm going to create a project. Click on create a project. Enter your project name. Continue. I am going to disable Google Analytics for this project. Then click on create project. Wait for some time. Great. Now your project is ready. Continue. You can see your project here. Now we have created a project in Firebase. The next thing is you should have your Angular project ready. I have already created an Angular project, so I'm going to go to my project folder, cd, my project folder name. Then run ng build prod command. This command will convert your TypeScript code to JavaScript, which will run on your browser. This ng build command has created a dist folder under our project folder. You can see that here. Inside this dist folder, we have our project folder. This project folder will contain all our JavaScript code. This also has index.html file, which is our main file, and scripts attached in the index.html file, which is our actual code. The next thing is we should have a Firebase CLI tool in our machine so that we can deploy our project. To install it, run npm install -g Firebase tools command. This will install Firebase tools globally and you can use it in all your projects. Now log in into Firebase by using Firebase login command. I am already logged in, so it is showing already logged in as my mail ID. If you are not logged in, it will prompt you to enter your username and password. Now enter Firebase init command to connect this project to our Firebase project. Now it is asking you, are you ready to proceed? Type yes. Now Firebase provides a lot of features other than hosting like database, Firestore, function storage, etc. We have to use hosting for our project. So I am going to select here hosting. Hit space to select hosting. Enter. Now it is asking, please select an option, use an existing project or create a new project. I'm going to use an existing project because we have already created a project in Firebase. So we are just going to use that project. Select use an existing project and enter. This is showing our Firebase project. Enter. Now it's asking, what do you want to use as your public directory? So public directory is the directory in which we have our project. So in my case, I have my project in dist folder. So I'm going to use the path for my dist folder. See here, we have the dist folder and all my code is inside this dist folder. So just type here dist and your project name. Enter. Configure as single page application. Yes. Do you want to override the index.html file? No, we don't want to override our HTML file. Great. Now Firebase initialization is completed. Now we can deploy our project to Firebase. Type Firebase deploy command. Enter. You can see here it has provided us an hosting URL. Just select this URL. You can also control and click. Great. So now my project is successfully deployed in Firebase. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.